In this video, I'll show you how to see battery percentage on Mac. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to see the current charging battery percentage, on the right side of your screen, you're going to go to the top where the battery is, and you're going to click on the battery, and it's going to show you how far the battery has charged to. So see, this is 100%. But with this percentage that we are talking about, we're going to talk about the maximum charge percentage. That's going to be for the whole battery life, the maximum that the battery can get to. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the left side. We're going to click on the Apple logo. We're going to go to About This Mac. And from here, we're going to go to More Info. Now, from More Info, on the right side where it shows the info about our Mac, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to System Report. Now, on the System Report, on the left side of the screen, where it shows the hardware, network, and software. On the hardware, we're going to go to Power, and on the Power, on the Health Information, you can find the cycle count, the condition, and the maximum charge capacity. And that's 89% for my Mac. Now that's how to check battery percentage on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.